Once you determine the word that you want to study, you have to figure out its semantic range. And I'm going to show you in accordance a couple ways to do that. In this example, I've looked for thalassa, and you could open up a Greek and an English text, and you can see that it means sea, but it does occur 91 times, and so that you don't have to page through all of them. You say, well, how else is thalassa translated? But I want to see it in English, not in Greek. If you go to analytics and choose analysis, then it's going to show you, in this particular case, all the ways in the different forms of thalassa, the different inflected forms, how often they occur. That's not really what I'm looking for, but by the way, if yours doesn't come up this way, then just go to customize the display, and then what you want in this column is drag lexical and inflected over, and if you do that, then you see it this way. But that's not really what I wanted to see. What I wanted to see was it in English. So the way you do that is you go over here to C, and you right click and you search for key number. Now what you're doing then is saying, look at the Greek word behind the English word see and find all the places that that key number word applies. Goodyear Kohlenberger 2498. And now when you do the analysis, it's different. Now you're showing the results of that search, and you find out that thalassa is translated lake, sea, and water. Again, if your analysis doesn't look like this, go under here and customize the display and make sure that word is dragged over in this column. Now I don't need two of them, so I'm just going to have one. Then that will give you this result. So we'll go back and let's do another word that's going to have a little more variety. Let's say sarx. And again, flesh, flesh, flesh. And you reload the analysis window. And here's all the different Greek inflected forms, but that's not really what I want. So I'm going to go to flesh, do a keyword search. In other words, go to the Greek word behind flesh, get its number, look up every place that Greek word occurs, but show me the results in English. And you can see flesh, 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 being, do your analysis. And in my translation, being, bodies, so forth, those are all the different ways I translated sarx. But let's say we want a different translation. Let's see how the ESV translates sarx. So you'll go over here and you'll do ESV. Now here's the difference. When you're searching in my English text, it's using the GK numbers. If you're searching in any other text, they're using the Strong's numbers. So the numbers are different. So you have to reload your search. So we're going to look for all the words that occur with sarx. There they all are. I'm going to find it right there. Now I'm going to search for it using key number. So here it is in the ESV, flesh, 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 human. Let's do our analysis. Here's all the ways that the ESV translates sarx. Quite a few, huh? But there's your semantic range.